Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today I have a package from First Planning. And I'm so excited to share this one with you. As you guys know, I am on her PR team. I did purchase these myself because her stickers are absolutely amazing. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so you guys, Kasha 15 for 15% off. These are sold out and you will not want to miss future ones either. So let me show you what I ordered. This is a freebie. I love stickers, addicted to stickers. So Versed Planning. Planning is my therapy, sticker addict, planner by Babe Life, planner Babe for Life. These are super cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you the journaling stickers first, and then we'll go from there. So first I got this single sticker of this girl. I think she's so cute. I love the pattern. So she is not in the set, but this is actually a set. So it's working on my energy. Hold on. These. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them in order, make sure that they match. Okay. Strength is this. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, so working on my energy, you have this girl, and then you have like a Wi-Fi sign and a tree on fire. Look how beautiful these are. So these are journaling stickers, and they come in a set, like each page is a set of 2. So that's the first one. Then we have avoiding burnout. Look at this, eyelashes. So this is how my phone always is, you guys. So 0% or 1%. And that 1% lasts as long as 4%. You guys get that too? Okay, before I proceed, I wanted to say thank you if you are new and you just found me. Welcome to my channel. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I'm so happy you're here. Okay, let's work on this now. Okay, this one says, in order to break the cycle of burnout, it is important to observe and identify your burn events, prepare for those you can identify, and recover from each. Yeah, I love that. Does this one have a quote? It's okay to remove toxicity from your life. Awesome. Okay, but that quote is amazing. And then don't do shit, not happening, not note to self-relax, nope, not happening. And you even have a checklist with a check that you can like do it in and say not happening. Then this one is working on the intimacy, and it's so beautiful, you guys. Like, look at this. Look at the hands, the gloves, the lingerie. Like, this girl, everything is beautiful. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. Isn't that amazing? Such a beautiful thing. Okay, this one is working on my grace. I love this girl. She looks amazeballs. So she has a life in her soul and grace in her heart, simple elegance, or a refinement of movement. She moved through the water with effortless grace. These are just beautiful. And then don't engage in negative self-talk. Stop comparing yourself to others. Celebrate your wins. Take care of yourself. Ask for help. Asking for help is strength. You don't have to be perfect. Today is another opportunity. Let it go. That's a big one. Grace can be hard to practice, but the more grace you can give, the more you will get in return. You can't stop loving Me loving myself. Okay, that's such a cute sticker. Okay, these are beautiful. So these are really, really pretty. And this one is working on my inner peace. Reminder, it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Breathe, peace and love. Being at peace is the ultimate position of power. It costs you your peace. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. Agreed. Things I need to let go. Such a good like journaling prompt. Keep on working on keeping hope. Never lose hope. Hope is a noun, feeling of an expectation and desire for a certain thing happening. The best is yet to come. Make it happen, but know this you will survive. Hope, and then little, love the little things. So cute. So cute. Yeah, so working on keeping hope. So then there's this one, which is working on my strength. This one is amazing, right? Like, look at the bricks. I am obsessed with bricks, so this was such a good one to have. So we have write your own strengths down. No comparing. Don't focus on your weaknesses. Reminder, you are stronger than you think. Close and options. And then you can make a list here. If you are given this life because you are strong enough to live it. Concur from within, stronger than yesterday, stay strong. This one is gorgeous. Okay, then working on being okay alone. I love being alone once in a while. Not always, but sometimes. Solitude, the state of being alone. Plans for me only. Solitude is independence. This is so cute. I love this. Like, I love grass and green stuff in my planner and plants. So this is just such a serene look. And then working on my health, which I am doing actively. So we have stay healthy, body under constructions, strive for progress, not perfection, no excuses, easy, no, worth it, yes, fitness. Like, how beautiful are these? I love them. I really do. Okay. So that is it. There's faith also, but that's going to come in my next box. I think they had a mishap with the sender, and they're going to send me those when I order the next release, which is the 27th of February, I believe. They have their brunch coming out, which is like a women's empowerment. So it's going to go ahead and get sent in that one. And then let me show you this. So let's count. That should be 9, right? Let's just make sure I have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So there's 10, and like I said, that one will be sent separately, no big deal. I wasn't planning on faith anyway, so I am all good. Okay, now the book. So Go Wild with Verse Planning. This is her first small book, so normally, you guys... Okay, so her books are like this. Look at the size difference, right? So this is her first smaller book, and look how pretty. Her paper, you guys, it's like superb. It's like matte gloss. But look how pretty. And you don't need to go wild to plan with this book. They're just awesome. And there's so many things you can use this for. If you go to Texas, you can use it. If you're into like cowgirl or you're doing something farm related, you can use this. Like, look at the cityscape, like beautiful, right? So there's a lot. Look at these, so cute. Go wild, stay wild, be wild. You can use these for a lot of things. Look at this one, little hat, lipstick, cacti. This one, yeah, there's a lot that you don't need to go to wild for. This one's cute. Look at her, she's so happy. Look at this one, woohoo, I like that one. I love this one. I love this one too. She's such a stylish cowgirl. Okay, and then this one is fully purple. Look at these flowers. Like, you don't even need to use this in like a cowgirl spread. But yeah, these are awesome. And then swag and little corner stickers, some boxes and goals. Go wild. Look at these little drips, so cute. And sprinkles, and these are the Go Wild colors. So you have like huge washi tapes. And we have some fun quotes. So we have Deep Ellum, Dallas Reunion Tower, Cowboy Stadium, downtown Dallas. A cowgirl will either find a way or make one. Well-behaved women rarely make history. Food Fun and Dallas Sun. Dallas Adventures. In Dallas, we believe in barbecue, boots, and endless adventures. Welcome to Dallas, y'all. Keep your soul clean and your boots dirty. From snatches to city lights, Dallas has it all. Dallas, where the food is as hot as the summers, deep in the heart of Texas. So that's what this book looks like. If you already received it, you know what it looks like. If you haven't, make sure you mark your current calendars whenever Verse Planning releases something, because they sell out so quick. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy you did. I'm gonna go ahead and post another video really soon. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.